Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make Butterswim Biscuits. I have been in the mood for biscuits and I'm in the pantry challenge, so I can't just go to the grocery store and buy biscuits. So today we are gonna make biscuits from scratch. So let's get started. All right, friends, so I've got all my ingredients here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 450. Now to a mixing bowl, you're gonna add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna go ahead and sift mine to make sure there's no lumps in there. To your flour, I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of baking powder and also 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Now go ahead and mix this all together. Make sure it's all well combined. Now to our flour mixture, we're gonna add 2 cups of buttermilk. Now you just wanna mix this until it is wet. You don't wanna overmix your batter. And I've got a sticky goo like that. Next, I'm gonna grab my 8x8 baking dish. And I've got 1 stick of melted butter. And you're just gonna pour this right into there. Just spread it around. Now you're gonna take your dough and you're gonna place it right into the butter. Now go ahead and spread your dough evenly in your baking dish. You want it to go to all sides. Now with a knife, go through and score your biscuits. Now go ahead and place your biscuits in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, friends, and here we have it. Our biscuits are done and they look amazing. You want to wait until they're lightly browned on top and then they're ready to come out. Mine took 20 minutes. Depending on your oven, it could take up to 25 minutes. So keep an eye on them. Let's go ahead and cut one of these out and give it a try. All right, friends, look at how fluffy these are. Oh my gosh. Friends, you gotta give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day. Lightly crispy on top. That butter. Oh man.